Whenever we think of Motorola, we recognize the brand mostly for our childhood's nostalgic Moto Razr phones with its stylish, sleek design it was famous for. But for the last few years, Motorola kept losing its charm from smartphone markets because of not focusing on any flagship phones or simply any phones with anything extraordinary to offer. Though recently they launched their latest version of Moto Razr in a foldable form factor, it surely brought the name into the modern smartphone market again. Now seems like Motorola wants to focus on the flagship market with their upcoming Edge Plus phone. And we came up with all the news or rumors about the phone that we know so far. Hey guys, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square. Motorola has completely focused on mid-range and budget devices in recent years. Nevertheless, with its Edge series of phones, the company is rumored to be making a return to the premium end of market in an attempt to compete with flagships from the like of Samsung, Google, and OnePlus. From the famous leaker Evan Blass, we now have got a better look at the upcoming Motorola Edge Plus in the form of what looks like official press renders. The Edge Plus probably would be the most exciting flagship from Motorola, as it's rumored to feature a glass and metal body, thin bezels, an in-display fingerprint sensor, rear triple camera along with a flash, and a curved display. The flagship is expected to come with big waterfall nearly bezel-less display, having curves at both edges, Galaxy S10 style punch hole cutout on the screen for a selfie camera, and an earpiece sitting above the display. On the back, we may see a Batwing-like Motorola logo. Then on the top, a 3.5mm jack and a noise-cancelling mic, and at the bottom, a USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and SIM card tray. On the right edge, we can see a power button and volume rocker. It is expected that the phone would come with a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 19:5:9 aspect ratio. The display will reportedly be able to run a 90Hz just like OnePlus 7T. You could be able to set it manually to run it either 90Hz or 60Hz or have the phone automatically switch between them. Based on a recent report from XDA developers, the Motorola Edge Plus will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 along with a Snapdragon X55 5G modem to support 5G networks. The Edge Plus will most likely launch on Verizon's millimeter wave 5G network in the US. It is also rumored that the device may include 12 GB of RAM, but we're not sure about that storage options yet. As per current market standard, we can expect at least 128 GB of base storage with expandable option via microSD card. Motorola seems to be focusing on the camera quality after a plethora of bad reviews it received from the recently announced Moto Razr's camera. The Edge Plus is also expected to feature a triple camera with a 108-megapixel sensor for the main lens as per Evan Blass's tweet. Adding off our 108-megapixel main camera, we'll see the Edge Plus competing with the likes of Xiaomi Mi 10 or Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Alongside that 108-megapixel sensor seen on the back of the phone, other expected lenses could be a 16-megapixel wide-angle camera and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. The selfie camera is expected to be a 25-megapixel and the punch hole should be smaller than the one seen on Motorola's earlier phones like the Motorola One Vision. The phone is also expected to be powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery, which will surely run you a day even for some power-hungry users. Talking about the color, the Moto Edge Plus photos in Blass's tweet show off maroon and silver blue models. There are no news about the pricing, but given the phone is a flagship phone and is expected to feature all the latest hardware, so the price should be somewhere between $800 to $1,000. We tried to cover everything we got to know so far. Take note, as Motorola has not released any information about the upcoming Motorola Edge Plus or its exact launch event date officially, the actual hardware, feature, and price could be different than what we covered. So that's all for today. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends who may want to get the upcoming Motorola Edge Plus. Comment below to let us know what is your opinion about the rumored Motorola Edge Plus, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.